Najua ya kwamba haijawa rahisi Esther na Steve kufika mahali hapa, na haijawa rahisi pia sisi kuwa washahidi ya vile Bwana anawatendea. Mvua ni baraka, lakini saa nyingine ikipitisha inakuwa ni kizuizi.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to warn you, if you're doing your wedding in April or any other month that has a lot of rain, please consider indoors or consider domes, because as you can see, this is a wedding I was in just the other day and it rained crazily.
Kuja na wewe selfie hapa. Wao tunataka kuchapa sisi, tunataka kutuuza. Nimekaribisha kamera sana. Au unachukua video huyu.
Oh my God, this was a very beautiful setup, but because of the rains, you can see how it happened. So he had this beautiful dome, just cute, fancy setup that you will get rained on. The only part that had some cover is this part that you can see the instrumentalist in. So we had just begun playing music, wonderful music from this band, but just like 10 minutes into it, it began raining and it was pounding crazily.
This guy is called Le Petit Riche. Very stubborn guy. Innocent boy. But I'm not sure
Goodness, in 10 minutes we just had to sit down because the rain was crazy. Oh, it was bad. It got to a point that even the electricity got lost. So we were looking for backup with the generator. But now because of the rains and how they were, we couldn't just put even that generator because we could not sing anymore. So the guy told us if we are moving, we are totally setting down. As in, there's no playing again, there's no singing again. If there will be singing, then it's not with the full band setup. You can see the people now rushing.
Oh, bro. Sorry.
As you can see, this is me going back to the shelter, but this is not what they wanted. But I wish they would have maximized on this shelter first before, or yes, maximize on this shelter because it's also a beautiful place, but they just wanted something under the sun, but the sun changed to be heavy pounding rain. It's April, my friend, and the rains are back. This is in Kasarani Sports Club. So as you can see, the setup had to be done afresh, and it's not as fancy, as beautiful as it would have been outside there because also everything was rained on. The red carpet was rained on, the ark was also rained on, everything was all water.
kufika mahali hapa, na ijawa rahisi pia sisi kuwa washahidi ya vile Bwana anawatendea. Mvua ni baraka, lakini saa nyingine ikipitisha inakuwa ni kizuizi, lakini Mungu ametengeneza njia mahali pasipokuwa na njia. Ambia aliye karibu na wewe, pasipo na njia Bwana atatengeneza njia.
Reverend Ruth Wamoyo there trying to encourage us, and then after that the service had to kick off. So you can see the bridal team coming in, from the children to the bridal team. Okay, from the groom to the children to the bridal team, and now to the bride. It was a beautiful wedding nonetheless. As you can see, Kasarani Sports Club, it's a beautiful place. The shelter is a nice place, and you can see the wedding was very well attended. The house was full. And anyway, it was just a beautiful day. Though we didn't sing again, as you saw, the keyboardist was the full band. That is not what these people would have wanted, because the groom and the bride are very musical, so they really wanted. And you can see here, it's all dark. The lights went off again. We had to sit for a moment and wait until they are back for them now to continue with taking of the vows, and now, because it was raining heavily, as you can see, the roofing is not covered, so the roofing is just mabati kipigwa na mvua mzuri hamskizani at all, plus hakukwa stima. Now, but when they came back, we went on with the event. You can see the rings being brought forward with a drone.
I choose you to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward. I give you this ring. As you wear it. With love and joy. I choose you to be my husband. To have and to hold. From this day forward.
In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
In the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Amen. Going back as Mr and Mrs Munene. Wapi shangwe na vigelegele. And I therefore declare, in accordance to the word of God and according to the laws of the land, by the power bestowed upon me by the government of Kenya, that what the Lord has put together, let no man put asunder.
Hakuna Mungu kama wewe, hakuna Mungu kama wewe, hakuna na hata kuwepo. Sifa zote ziwe kwako, ewe Mungu wa miungu, Mungu wa ajabu, ndiwe Jehova, na hakuna kama wewe. Ziwe kwako.
So this is what remained of the outside setup. So guys, if you're doing your wedding in a rainy season, please don't take chances. Beware, it can rain or not, so be ready for any. So in an instant that it rains or it doesn't, just be sure, just put yourself under a dome or under a shelter, okay?